Hey y'all, I'm making turkey chops today. This is something my mom introduced to me and it's so good. And today's ingredients is going to be some pepper and some salt. I'm also going to be using unsalted butter, and we're going to be using broccoli. So right here, also I'm going to be using extra virgin olive oil for my air fryer. I'm just going to rub that good stuff on my turkey chops. It's real thick, so it's going to take a minute, but it's good. You can also use it to make a broth as well, but for this instance, I'm using it for my turkey chops. I'm going to sprinkle some parsley on it just to give it like a pretty look at the end. And right now I'm just about to spray my air fryer down with that extra virgin olive oil just so it won't stick to nothing. I'm gonna set it to 400 and then I'm only cooking it for 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So while that's cooking, we're gonna be making the frozen broccoli. And I don't use sink water, I just use bottled waters for everything. So we're just gonna put the whole bottle of water. We're going in with some salt and pepper. Now we have some onion powder just to give it a little bit more flavor. And then also put in some minced onions. I don't know, I just add minced onions to a lot of my food now, and it's so good. I also decided to use some Lori seasoning salt. If you black, I know you got that in your cabinet. And then I'm just going to mix it all up, and just let everything just be even under the water. I'm just going to let that cook for probably 5 to 10 minutes. Now we're back at the air fryer. The 15 minutes is up. Look how good that looks. It looks good, and it was good actually, but the other side, it just looks so juicy. So right now I'm just about to take it out of the air fryer so I can start cooking my other one. Like, look how good that looks. I can't tell me that does not look good. Comment down below if you would try this too. Let me know if you would try this recipe. Like, it's good. And it's healthy because I'm trying to do this low carb diet. So, yeah, it will help you. Like, it's bomb. Going back to 15 minutes once again. And we're back at the broccoli. I made it soft because my grandma's here and she has to eat it a little bit softer than usual. So right here I'm just about to taste it and see if I needed to add any more seasoning or anything. And I'm adding my unsalted butter. And then we're about to mix it all together once again. And I was lazy, so I'm just using the white rice from the cabinet because my baby, she doesn't really eat when I'm cooking. So I put some white rice in the microwave, put some unsalted butter in there, and then I'm just going to mix that up as well. And then we're just going to add some salt as well, just to give it a little bit of flavor, because this white rice is bland if you don't do anything to it. Like, this dinner is basically like a quick, easy, lazy dinner, but it's also healthy. So right here, I'm just plating my daughters. I did make her some mac and cheese on the side, because that's her favorite thing. Mac and cheese and rice is two of her favorite things that she likes to eat, because she's an extremely picky eater. So I just give her what she's going to eat. And she tore that up, actually. And I'm giving her a little bit of rice. And then I'm just about to go put it in the freezer so it can cool down. And right here is my grandmother's plates. I'm giving her some rice. Some broccoli. This looks so good. And then last but not least, the turkey chops. They look so juicy. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know down below. So, yeah, have a great day.